Hi, I'm Matthew, and this is the process of designing and building my small hollow body archtop guitar. Everything started out in CAD with a lot of sketches, turned into 3D modeling, and finally toolpath planning and simulation. A lot of upfront heavy design work to ensure everything comes out the way I wanted. The first piece I cut was the tailpiece. I wanted to experiment with the inlay technique. Moved on to the neck, which I built out of walnut. Came out really great right out of the CNC. Very little work needed to be done to clean up and refine. After that I moved on to the fretboard. This is macassar ebony. Absolutely stunning figure in this wood. Beautiful, dense tonal qualities. Chose flame birch for the top and back. This is a fully hollow body design inspired by classic archtop guitars. You can see that I left integral bracing into the top and reinforced this with carbon fiber. This strengthened the bracing, the body, added some really beautiful tonal qualities, and had the additional benefit of shielding the electronics from external electromagnetic interference because carbon fiber is conductive. I wrapped the sides with curly walnut veneer to match the neck. The CNC allows a lot of incredible precision that would be time intensive to accomplish by hand. This really opens up a lot of freedom when it comes to making design choices, and it's something that really allows a lot of additional creativity that I might have skipped had this been an entirely hand process. Building the guitar really deepened my connection to playing guitar, just understanding everything that goes into making it and kind of all the pitfalls. As a maker, using beautiful tools helps inspire me to do better work. And I think as a musician, building my own guitar will inspire me to make better music. The fretwork involved a lot of precision handwork. Because the slots for the frets were stopped short and unexposed on the ends, the tangs needed to be trimmed and filed flush. The lengths needed to be exact. The ends needed to be polished and rounded over. And everything really had to be perfect before it was set into the fretboard. But the results speak for themselves. I really enjoyed all of the metalwork involved. I hand filed the bridge and the nut out of brass. The electronics were a lot of fun to work on. CNC definitely saved a lot of time, but at the same time it required a lot of cleanup and hand filing. Here I'm setting the neck to get the right angle for the bridge height, and that was kind of the last major build part. Then it was refining the neck heel joint transition. This is something that can't really be done on the CNC. It needs to be done by hand so that it feels right in the hand. Beautiful instrument needs to feel good in order to sound good for the player. All in all, this was a really rewarding process. It took a lot of time, but the results are something that I'll be enjoying for the rest of my life. I highly recommend to anybody to try and make an instrument.